Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a twisted ellipse side table in Sketchup. First of all, we have to make a circle. Then we can set the any size or any dimension. Maybe we can use the radius around 500 millimeter of the radius. So then we can select it all these surfaces of this circle. So and then we have to push it up. We can push it up until 1000 millimeter, for example. So and then we have to select it all this top surface, or maybe sorry, we have to select it all, and we can use scale, and we can to make it to be a ellipse cylinder anyway. Okay, and after that we can separate it. We can select these surfaces, so then we can just rotate it. We can just rotate, and then we can aiming to the center of this face, and then we can click. Then we can click on the another uh, axis anyway. So and then we can twice that it rotate maybe around 90 degree or more, or everywhere, or anything we want anyway. Okay, we can use to 90 degree for the rotation, or the rotate it, so we can see about it, and then okay, select it all. So and then we can just assign with the material. Maybe you can use wood material or many more, and maybe we can use a smooth thin material on our segmented material of it. Okay, and then we can show the shadow of it. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about how to make a simple twisted side table in this SketchUp. And just wait for my next tutorial video in this channel. Thank you.